Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Tron at number 11, followed by Toncoin, Polkadot, Polygon, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Shiba Inu, and then we'll end it with Chainlink at number 19. Let's get straight into it. Tron against BTC, big accumulation. We've been going sideways for a very long time, right? Consolidation, zip up. Consolidation, I think the next move is a zip up for Tron against BTC. I still can't help it whenever I look at Tron against USD that there was a clear descending triangle, and we still think that this could happen. But yeah, it feels like Tron is going back up. I don't think it's coming back down anymore. It's just too strong. You know, the buying pressure is just too strong. So again, we're gonna have to take things one step at a time. I still think that this is a possibility, but we're gonna have to cross the bridge when the time comes, because we keep getting high invalidations. What I mean by that is, look at this 1, 2, 3. Let's for example take these 4 mountains, right? This mountain high was taken out here way back in February. This mountain high was taken out over here way back in July. It feels to me like we are going back higher to take out this mountain high, right? Once you start seeing mountains getting taken out, then yeah, you could feel the bullishness pushing the price of Tron much higher. So again, we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board. We will redo Tron if and when the time comes, but yeah, for the moment it is just something that we will just have to move on from. Let me just see what I wrote for Tron. Targets are back on. I'm gonna be hot and cold again. The targets are gonna be off again. So yeah, again, oh my god, there's Tron for you. Ton against BTC. Here we are for Ton. Okay, we don't have it on BTC because Ton BTC is just, you know, stray weeks here and there. If I look at it on CoinX, it's just, yeah, it's just unclear, I would say, right? Ton. Okay, let's look at it on CoinMarketCap, shall we? Hey, bro, what's this? Okay, this is Ton BTC. Heading for Ton. Yeah, nothing much. Could Ton come back down here? Head and shoulders. Hey, lower. Of course. Yeah, it's nothing much for Ton though. I'm almost certain we are severely overbought, right? And you can tell when things are about to return back down, right? Look at the volume. The whales were already selling over here. You see that? And again, look at this volume. Whales, boys and girls, are already selling. So Toncoin could head all the way back down, right? So that's Toncoin for you against BTC. Against USD, let's look at it on Gate. Toncoin against USD on Gate. Yeah, we have a potential very high quality squeeze over here, right? Lower highs, higher lows. A, B, C, D, E, right? This is what you call an extended E outside of the resistance line. So if we were to see a rally, if we were to see some sort of a consolidation, then yeah, this will be awesome, absolutely awesome. And Toncoin could hit back to its highs over here at around $5. Yeah, right now at $2. So 2 to 5 is more than 100%, right? Where we are to the highs, 140%. That's a lot, and we're already above the skinny pink line. So now we're looking to see whether if we are gonna stay above the skinny pink line, right? More often than not, if things are already bullish, if Bitcoin is bullish, very likely altcoins like Ton should remain bullish as well. But if anything, I suspect this could already be a wave. Okay, if let's say for example this is a 1, right? This is a 2. This could be a 3, down 4, up. This could already be 5, and then we could be getting a very nice wave 2. Then we get a 3, 4, 5, something like that. We're gonna have to wait and see how things go first though. But Toncoin, yeah, there's already huge buying pressure. So again, we still need to see proper consolidation first before rushing into anything, right? Because the pool of the noisy area over here, yeah, we could head towards the support, right? There's a support line over here, but we'll be crossing back under the skinny pink line. That's not ideal. Ideally, stay above the skinny pink line, see a rally, consolidate. Now that would be awesome. That would be something that we could consider putting on trades for, right? So yeah, again, we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for Toncoin. I just don't think the apple is ripe yet. It is still raw. DOT against BTC. Here we are for Polkadot. Polkadot is severely oversold. Do we see any signs of life? Any buying pressure? Any bottoming? Any bullish reversal? No. Polkadot doesn't look good at all. Again, we're already severely oversold though. You might argue that, hey, you know, we're oversold. Would it be wise for us to DCA? Yeah, of course, if you are a true believer of Polkadot, right? And you know, you don't mind holding Polkadot for a long time, but we're still under the skinny pink line. The trend is still severely bearish, right? The moment we cross the skinny pink line would have been a very good sign, right? This is a sell your coins rally, and after that, you know, we cross back under the skinny pink line. That's it. Bearish trend starts. How would you know when bullish trend starts? Yeah, we go back above the skinny pink line, right? But yeah, it's yet to happen. So again, we're not gonna catch nice because we just don't know how much lower things are going to go. For example, right, we were already oversold over here. And you might argue that, hey, what's severely oversold? Let's make a buy. Yeah, look at what happened from top to where we are, right? It's about 22%. We dropped another 22%. It's not 2% or 0.2%. It's 22. So that's quite a lot. Who's to say that we can't drop even lower, right, past 22%? Could we drop another 22%? Is it possible that we could be taking out these lows, right? The whales could be taking out these lows because the initial coin offering price for Polkadot is like, I think 20 cents if I'm not wrong. So yeah, it's dangerous to be, you know, doing things which is yeah, like knife catching, right? Again, we have a target over here, $3.33, $3.20. Any signs of a bullish reversal? No. Could we see a rally? Sure. Because we're oversold, so there could be a strong rally, but it's still very weak to us though. Still very weak, still under the skinny pink line. Still more downside expected because we have hard targets. So yeah, again, we still don't see any clear signs of a bullish reversal, right? How will we consider this as a bullish reversal? Yeah, this is something like a falling channel, right? So once we complete, let's say for example, it's 5 waves, right? We'll have to wait for the rally towards the resistance line, right? We need to rally back towards the resistance line, hang around the resistance line, and then break higher. This will be awesome, right? This will be much more bullish-er for Polkadot, but you know, we just don't see it yet, so nothing much for us to do. There are no actionable information for Polkadot, not yet. Eventually, hopefully, but not yet. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. Are we severely oversold? Yes. Could we be heading lower? Sure. Any signs of life? No. We're already under the skinny pink line, so the bearish trend is still on for Litecoin. Against USD, yeah, we're already under the resistance line, right? We have to break back up above the resistance line, break back up above the skinny pink line, then only will we consider Litecoin to be bullish. But right now we're already under the skinny pink line, so yeah, it's like once you cross the skinny pink line, flip bullish. Once you cross back under the skinny pink line with proper violence, then yeah, we are flipping bearish again. So more downside is to be expected for Litecoin. We still expect these two lows to be taken out eventually. So be careful of rushing to a trade too soon for Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are for Bitcoin Cash. We're above the skinny pink line. We love this. But if we were to look back in the past, right, we crossed the skinny pink line, but we failed to stay above it, right? We cross it, we failed again. We cross it, could this result in another failure? Could this be the different move, right, where we hit higher above the skinny pink line as it curves higher, right? The thing about this, you know, the difference is that we are above the skinny pink line after a retrace, right? There was a nice retrace over here, but we stayed above it, right? The retrace that came for the previous break above the skinny pink line came back down. We came back down, right? But this break was different. We did not come back under the skinny pink line, right? We hit resistance and we continued higher. I mean, who's to say the next one, you know, could come, but again, we still don't see any clear tradable chart patterns yet. So again, we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for Bitcoin Cash, BTC. BCH USDT. Here we are for Bitcoin Cash. Same thing, above the skinny pink line. I kind of like what I see, but I wouldn't consider this as a bullish continuation chart pattern. We have to rise a little bit higher. Maybe get a cup and handle, or maybe get an ascending type of a bullish continuation. Yeah, then this would be a very nice wave 2. This is a wave 1. This could be a 2. Go up for a 3, then we get a 4, and then we get a 5. Oh, this will be awesome, right? But take note of the skinny pink line. As long as you're above the skinny pink line, and if you see a consolidation, then yes, this will be awesome, right? We'll be more confident in taking long trades for Bitcoin Cash. We're already above, so yeah, this will be awesome. This is a very nice base, but we just rose up suddenly out of nowhere. So yeah, again, we'll take things one step at a time for Bitcoin Cash. Shiba Inu SHIB against USDT. Here we are for SHIB. What's happening, SHIB? Again, we don't know. There's just no actionable information at this point of time. We rose above the skinny pink line. We got slapped down. Up. We got slapped down again. Again, this was a very nice accumulation that came. And then boom, we zipped up. For Shiba Inu at this point of time, anything for us? Yeah, no. Maybe something like this. Again, we're still not entirely sure. So we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for Shiba Inu. Chainlink, go. Chainlink against BTC. Here we are for Chainlink. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? Yeah, not really yet. Okay, this is a very nice resistance line, right? We drew a resistance line from here, right? But it seems to me that the resistance line keeps adjusting because the price keeps going higher and higher. Okay, let me explain what I'm talking about, right? So the resistance line was once here, right? So what happened was we rallied, we went above it, and then we came back down. So this is a clear resistance area, right? And things are just getting more and more out, right? And yeah, again, once you move and adjust the resistance line, these two will no longer be touching. So it's like, okay, it seems like the resistance line should be here instead of here. So yeah, again, at this point of time, we're not entirely sure. Yes, we're hitting the skinny pink line, but we could be doing something like this as well. Hit the skinny pink line, come back down. Hit the skinny pink line, come back down. Come back down. Come back down. Right. I mean, if we were to break it, this would be awesome, but we still need to see huge volatile moves towards the upside. Huge spikes, but there are no huge spikes. So yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. But Link against USD, yeah, Link against USD could be heading higher, right? This whole thing could be a very nice inverse head and shoulders. That could be about to break out, right? There's a retrace right now, right? But there's also buying pressure, so we could be doing something like this, right? And then that's it. Once we break, this will be a beautiful launch pad for Chainlink USD as we head higher, right? For the rocket. Very nice launch pad. Again, at this point of time, we still do not know if it's going to be falling any lower, but in terms of investing, right, I feel like anything under $10, single digit is fine. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yeah, I think that's fine. Because eventually, again, I could be wrong, but eventually we are expecting Chainlink to go back up, right? Because Chainlink is a solid project, and Chainlink can just easily leapfrog Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Matic, right? Probably into the top 10. Again, Sergey is he's a G, and yeah, again, we expect Chainlink to eventually recover. The thing is that there could be other coins that could be also, because in a bull run, right, everything is rising. So some things could be rising in a much more violent manner than Chainlink, right? There are many other coins at the bottom which I feel could overtake, deserves a spot in the top 10, right? Like Arbitrum. Yeah, I think Arbitrum eventually will just rise up in rankings into top 10. So yeah, again, it'll be very competitive though in the top 10. But I feel like Chainlink has the potential to go back up. And probably beyond the highs over here. So yeah, again, if you could draw a line across and call this the resistance, and every time we go sideways, we're going closer and closer to the resistance. So we're just waiting for the break, right? A big buying dildo, big green dildo that pushes the price higher for Chainlink. So again, we're not going to do anything until we see clear. I mean, from a trading perspective, right? But from an investment perspective, you can, consider buying some, right, at these levels, in my opinion. So yeah, there you go. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top 20 Crypto TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!